I felt nervous, I took it to the leave and support myself. We made talk with Kah Dante, with school together, we did together, we were in touch with them, and I'm so happy for them.
We started in 2013, all of us, and then I eventually met all these guys when they came join my class. It's just meant to be a class just full of boys, and then just the way that we were in class, just we grew together, and then we just started training for trying out competition and performances. We've done some school performances, some primary schools, high school, and I'm going to be hopefully teaching at a high school again, but for special needs.
Backgrounds, I love it with big guns and support myself. I intend to travel to New York. New York. Backgrounds, New York. First on team was we are first on team. Winners.
Winners!
Woo! Team here, whooping!
You're whooping! You're whooping!
Dance company started at the beginning of this year, so we have about, I'd say, 50 students from the ages 3 to 18. We have 5 different classes. Yeah, so if you want to do classes or join Movement of Sound, yeah, you can get us on our Facebook page, Movement of Sound Dance Company. That's mainly where we give all the details. And I think we're different because we're more family based. Even all of us teaching together, you see us how we react with each other and make it fun and stuff. Mitch, what are you talking about?
I think the message we just want to get across is to let everyone know that everyone can dance. We just want people to know that you can do what you want to do and don't let whatever's holding you back hold you back. I can't say I've actually met any special needs people before, so that was a little bit different for me, and it really was inspiring to know that they were just so carefree about what they were doing. They just get in a circle, do a couple moves, and they were just so happy. Mitch, when he dances, he just seems so happy.
We're sent to kids for school. We want to dance real quick, support them, dance, and support myself. Children,
We love everyone.
yeah.